skateboard. My shotgun want to get more bigger.
I want the nativity Legos.
A motorcycle. I want a $50 bill. Newborn arrow. What has a new one, but except it has sticky.
An RC car.
I would like a new phone for Christmas.
I want candy. I don't want broccoli. Broccoli is the worst.
Maybe a Lego set.
I just want a motorcycle with wheels. Yeah! I really don't want underwear for Christmas, but I also still say thank you. A helicopter, an RC helicopter.
A big RC car. Really big one.
I want a ukulele to play music at on the beach if my family wants me to. And I want some drums and a piano. That's all. Happy birthday!
For everyone to have the best Christmas that they can.
I hope no one will be all alone. I just want to see all my friends again.
I hope no one's sad this Christmas.
My friend at school, house burned down. I'm really sad. I hope they find a new one. I hope everybody has a home this Christmas.
I wish there'd be a little less hate and a little more love in this world.
I wish everybody can know Jesus. I love Jesus.
I love to celebrate Jesus at Christmas.
I love the whole world, and that I hope the whole world didn't get sick.
I hope that people know who Jesus really is.
I wish everybody in the world can be friends again. Jesus, love you.
I hope no one will be alone.
I love God because He heals us whenever we get hurt. Happy birthday, Jesus.
I love that Jesus is only one prayer away.
I love that He loves everyone and every family. And I wish that everybody knows Jesus.
Happy birthday, Jesus!
Merry Christmas!